Bible said it makes all things beautiful in its time. And this is the right time. Mr. Opon and Madam Patricia. You become a boom as husband and wife. Alright, baby, you do not see you be exchanging the marital vows. Mr. Opon Pacho Udien. Madam Timpacho. Before that, does anyone have any just cause why these two people cannot be put together as husband and wife?
Yeah, be my wife for him inside. And then I said that you know you can't see me. Don't see na. I don't want to say. Our dear to say. Kwame, our dear Nyamian Queenie. To me, dear. So when you had the open now so open pa Ede.
What do I want from you?
You know I am married. What are you even doing here?
I'm going to my friend. I'm going to man we're not friends somewhere here.
I don't know what to
Shut up! Let me talk!
Maybe shut up!
Shut up!
It is a me my worry in here. I cannot go out. Is that what you are telling me?
Yes. Charlie, it's too much. I don't know better. Me who say I don't know Sasana what dear no. Jenny netia dia and I feel a master. I don't know as I but as I done as I done. I say you know Oja but as I say I say I take mama and think better say ya take him. Obi na Oja wale hu tu me for so me wale no. Na ye see me free tie ti wi. Easy.